Our professional upholstery cleaning process. Have your cushions, sectional sofas, couches, or recliners lost their shine over time? How we do what we do with your upholstered furniture. USA Cleanmaster's technicians are your best go-to guys when it comes to getting your upholstery clean. Arrival. Once a customer calls us and schedules an appointment, our cleaning specialists show up at the correct time to evaluate the situation. Pre-inspection. We take the time to determine the upholstery type, degree of stain, physical defects, and color fastness. Deodorizing and sanitizing. If needed, our experts sanitize your upholstery to get rid of bacteria and other microbes lurking in them. Proper cleaning. We offer two great kinds of cleaning. One is the steam cleaning and the other is deep cleaning. Spot cleaning. This usually involves the use of special mild chemicals to blot out stains from the upholstery. Upholstery protectors. To shield your upholstery from stains, which will increase its life expectancy, we can treat it with upholstery protectors, grooming, and brushing. For fabric furniture that can be groomed, our team of experts will spare no effort at doing this, keeping your upholstery clean between professional cleanings. Keep pets out during the cleaning. Also, ensure that the room is well ventilated. Opt for our carpet plus upholstery cleaning package too. USA Cleanmaster has got the best team, tactics, and equipment to revive your upholstery.